Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this episode of Granny Squares, we are doing a circle motif, episode 1. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those techniques. Also for this pattern, you're going to need 2 different colors of yarn of your choice. So to get started, you are going to chain 1 and then you are going to work 8 single crochets into your magic circle. Then you will join with a slip stitch. For round 2, you're going to start off by chaining 3 and then you're going to work a 4 double crochet popcorn cluster. So what that means is you're going to work a double crochet like you normally do, except for you will not pull off the last loop. So here you see me yarning over, inserting my hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, but we leave that 3rd loop on our hook. Now that we've done it 4 times, you'll see that we have 5 stitches, and we are going to pull through all of the loops. Now we are going to chain 2 and we are going to work a 5 double crochet popcorn stitch, which is just like the working a 4 double crochet popcorn stitch, except for there is an extra loop. After you finish doing that, you will chain 2 and you'll repeat this 7 times for a total of 8 popcorn stitches. So here we are, just finishing our last popcorn stitch. And then we will chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. Now what you'll want to do is fasten off your work and go ahead and grab your other color. For this pattern, I'm going to be using green. So you create your slip stitch and you locate where you bound off from before and then the chain 2 space that's after. So you're going to insert your hook, pull through your slip stitch, and just go ahead and chain 1. And then in that same space, we are going to work a single crochet. And then we are going to chain 3. And we're going to single crochet in the next chain 2 space. And then chain 3, and you'll repeat this all the way around, and then you will join with a slip stitch. So here we are, just finishing off round 3 by joining with a slip stitch. So for round 4, you are going to chain 1 and you're going to work 5 single crochets in the chain 3 space. And you're going to repeat this all the way around. So here we are, just finishing off round 4. And you can really start telling how this pattern is turning out. It really is quite a fun pattern to do. So let's go ahead and gear up for the last 2 rounds. So for round 5, you are going to slip stitch twice to get yourself into the center of your single crochet 5s from the previous row. You're then going to chain 1 and you're going to single crochet in the next stitch, followed by chaining 6. Then you're going to skip 4 single crochets and you're going to single crochet in the center stitch. And you'll kind of get a hang of this as you chain 6, skip 4 stitches, and it'll end up being the center stitch from the next single crochet row 5. So here we are, just finishing off the last of round 5 by doing our 6 single crochets. You're going to join with a slip stitch. And now we are going to start round 6. So to get started, you are going to single crochet. You're going to chain 1 and then you're going to single crochet in the same stitch, followed by chaining 3 and working 7 single crochets in the chain 6 space. Once you finish that, you are going to single crochet into that next stitch right there, then chain 3 and then work 7 single crochets, and you'll repeat this all the way in the round. So here you are finishing off the last of your 7 single crochets. You are going to join with a slip stitch and it's done. You can kind of pull out the little ends to make it a little bit more noticeable. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.